Polynomials. An algebraic expression fx of the form a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dash 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 an x की power n is known as a polynomial in x. We can see here the variable is x, so we have written fx, and the variable which is present in this polynomial is only x. Therefore, this is known as a polynomial in fx if a0, a1, a2, dash 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 an all are real numbers. This is the first condition. Second, all the powers of x, that is all the index of x, that is n, should be the whole number. For example, if we are given a polynomial fx is equals to 3x square plus 5, this is a polynomial in x. But if we are given an algebraic expression fx is equals to 3x की power minus 2 plus 5, then it is not a polynomial because the power of x is here minus 2, which is not a whole number. Again, if we are given a polynomial px of the form 3x की power 1 by 2 plus 5, then it is also not a polynomial because the power of x is not a whole number again. Now, the degree of a polynomial. The highest index of x is known as the degree of the polynomial. For example, if we are given a polynomial fx 3x square plus 5x plus 9, then we can see the highest power of x is 2. So degree of this polynomial will be 2. If we are given a polynomial px, if we are given a polynomial px 3x square plus 5x minus 3x square, then first we have to simplify this polynomial. It will be 3 plus 3x minus 3x will become 0 and it will be equals to 5x. So the degree of this polynomial is 1 since the highest power of x is 1. Here we have to remember that before telling the degree of the polynomial, we should note that the coefficient of highest degree of x should not be equals to 0. That is, if we are given a polynomial qx is equals to 3x square plus 5x plus 0x cube. So we can see here the coefficient of x cube is 0 and the highest power of the x is 3. Therefore, we cannot say that the degree of this polynomial is 3 since an, that is where n is equals to 3, is 0. Therefore, the degree of this polynomial will be 2 since the highest power of x here is 2. In a polynomial px, where px is equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dash 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 an x की power n, a0, a1x, a2x square, all these are the terms of the polynomial. So we can see in this polynomial there are n plus 1 terms. Since we are starting counting from 1, for example, we are given a polynomial qx 3x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1. In this we have 4 terms. First term is 3x cube, second term is 2x square, third term is x and fourth term is 1. Let us take another example. If we are given a polynomial px is equals to 5x square plus 3x square plus 1. Then in this we have two terms, that is 5x square and 3x square will add up to form 8x square plus 1. So px has two terms. In a polynomial fx, where fx is equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dash dash plus a n x की power n, a0 a1 a2 dash 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 an, all these are real numbers and are known as the coefficients of polynomial fx. If we are given a polynomial px, where px is equals to 30x square plus 5x plus 1, then the coefficient of x square is 30, coefficient of x is 5. A polynomial px is said to be its standard form if all its terms are written in either in increasing order or decreasing order of the indices of the x. For example, if we are given a polynomial fx 3 plus 5x square plus 3x cube plus 9x, then to write this polynomial in standard form, we will write this polynomial either in the decreasing order or the increasing order of the indices of x. That is, fx is equals to 3x cube plus 5x square plus 9x plus 3, or fx is equals to 3 plus 9x plus 5x square plus 3x cube. Both of these are the standard form of the given polynomial. Now let us see a few examples of polynomial. We have an example 2x की power 4 plus 4x square plus x. This is a polynomial in x with degree 4. Second example, an algebraic expression x square plus root 2x plus 1 is also a polynomial in x whose degree is 2, since the highest power of x is 2 and all the coefficient of x, or we can say the polynomial, are real numbers. That is, the coefficient of x is root 2, which is again a real number, and the constant term is 1. We can classify polynomials on the basis of their degree and the number of terms the polynomial has. First, on the basis of degree. On the basis of degree, the first polynomial is the constant polynomial. In a constant polynomial, the degree of the polynomial is 0. That is, if we are given a polynomial fx is equals to 4, then it is a constant polynomial since the degree of this polynomial is 0. We can write it as 4x की power 0, since we know if the power of any term is 0, which is equals to 1. So here we can write fx as 4x की power 0, which is again equals to 4, and the degree of this polynomial is 0. Second is linear polynomial. The degree of a linear polynomial is 1. For example, fx is equals to 3x square plus 5x plus 1 minus 3x square. In this, first we will simplify this polynomial. It will be equals to 5x plus 1. Now the degree of this polynomial, that is the highest power of x, is 1. Therefore it is a linear polynomial. The general form of a linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a should not be equals to 0 and a and b should be the real numbers. Next is third type of polynomial, that is quadratic polynomial. The degree of a quadratic polynomial is 2. For example, fx is equals to x square. It is a quadratic polynomial since the degree of this polynomial is 2. General form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a should not be equals to 0 and a, b and c are real numbers. Next, fourth type of polynomial is the cubic polynomial. The degree of a cubic polynomial is 3. The general form of a cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a should not be equals to 0 and a, b, c and d are real numbers. Example of a cubic polynomial is 3x cube plus 4. Here the highest power of x is 3. Therefore, it is a cubic polynomial. Next is fourth type of polynomial, that is biquadratic polynomial. In a biquadratic polynomial, the degree of polynomial is 4. And the general form is ax की power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, where again a should not be equals to 0 and a, b, c, d and e should be real numbers. An example of a biquadratic polynomial is qx is equals to 3x की power 4 plus 5x square plus 1 plus 1. The polynomial with degree greater than 4 do not have a particular name, and they are called by their names, such as, for example, if we are given fx is equals to 5x की power 5 plus 3x square plus 1, then we will say that fx is a polynomial of degree 5. And if we are given a polynomial px is equals to 6x की power 6, then we will call this polynomial of degree 6. Next, classification based on number of terms. In this classification, first type of polynomial is monomial. In a monomial, the number of terms in the polynomial is 1. For example, if we are given a polynomial fx is equals to 3x, then it is a polynomial since the number of terms in this polynomial is 1 and that is only 3x. Again, if we are given a polynomial fx is equals to 5x square plus 3x plus 1 minus 5x square minus 1, then again this is a monomial since we can simplify this polynomial as 3x, क्योंकि यहाँ पर 5x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x स्क्वायर से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, प्लस 1 माइनस 1 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा और सिर्फ जो टर्म बचेगी वो है 3x. Therefore, fx is again a monomial. Second is binomial. Mono word means one. That therefore the number of terms present in a monomial was 1. Again here we have binomial. Bi means 2. Therefore the number of terms present in the polynomial, which is a binomial, will be 2. For example, if we are given px is equals to 3x square plus 2, then it is a binomial since the number of terms are 2. First is 3x square and second term is 2. Third is trinomial. The number of terms present in a trinomial will be 3. For example, a polynomial px is equals to 3x square plus 5x plus 1 is a trinomial since the number of terms are 3. The first term is 3x square, second is 5x and the third term is 1. A polynomial which has more than 3 terms is known as simply a polynomial. For example, if we have a polynomial px is equals to 3x की power 3 plus 5x square plus 3x plus 1, then px is simply known as a polynomial. One more important polynomial, that is a polynomial px is equals to 0, is known as a zero polynomial. It's all the coefficient of this polynomials are 0 and degree of this polynomial is not defined.